Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do another shave video. But before I do that, I must wet my face. Oh yes, I'm due for a shave and a haircut. Well, first I can do the shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by HC&C, and this is going to be the shave stick, and it is Southern Comfort. I did scrape off some of the soap there, and I've already got it lathered in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And wow, this scent, did I tell you it's Southern Comfort? It is a nice boozy tobacco scent. It's one of my favorites from HC&C. I probably need to do a video on my top 5 HC&C soap scents, or scents, if you're getting the scent oils. And I'm using my beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. This is one of the first ones that I bought. This is the second one that I bought, actually. I remember them all like they were just the other day. All right, well, it is Sunday and it is time for a shave. Now, I do apologize. It is a later shave. I got up this morning and I had some other things that I wanted to do, and so I did those things first. It started off with Mama waking up and getting up early for her early morning shift. Get a little bit right there. I didn't do so good at putting it there. All right. Let's see. Oh, yes. The razor that I'm going to be using today is the Apollo Light. And this is made by Helix, or Smart Helix. Let's see. Does it say in there? There's an actual serial number in there. Yep. Smart Helix. I do not believe that you can pick these up any longer, but what a beautiful design. And I do have one of my favorite blades. Matter of fact, it was the winner of the 5-blade double elimination, which is the Gillette Super Thin. If you haven't seen that, I just ruined it for you. Check out the link in the description below if you would like to see a blade showdown. And I really enjoy this blade because it is nice and sharp, and it's pretty smooth. Oh yes. I cheated today. Instead of using the shave stick like a shave stick is supposed to be, and I just lathered it in the bowl. Seems to make for a little bit quicker and easier of a video. Oh yes, beautiful shave. I think I've mentioned in the past that when I first was looking at this razor, I thought maybe to not buy it because it was from a company that I wasn't really familiar with, and you know, some of the videos that were out there were few and far between. And I think Chris over at IMCDB was the one that sold me on it. And I ordered it and I waited, and it took a little while to get here. But once I got it, I was happy. I ended up buying the package that had both base plates, and the milder plate is very nice and smooth, and then there's one that's a little bit more aggressive, and that is the plate that I am using today. Let me go ahead and paint some of this on, and then I will do a little lather demonstration, not like I used to, but just there on the side of my face. This soap is very nice. It's a cost-effective soap, and with it being a firmer soap as it is, it will last you a very long time. It's pretty nice lather, if I do say so myself. If I get that little area with my brush, it always gets in my ear, so I try not to do that. Let's clean up, see? All right, pass number 2 across the green. So how was your weekend? I feel a little taller in here. Maybe I need to be more like that. I probably got my camera a little out of, not focus, but I didn't aim it quite right. That's all right. We can just roll with it. You notice the water dripping out of my razor? There's no fancy water chamber holding water in. It just does it on its own. That's terrible. You guys will know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, it's probably good that you don't. You know, I've been having one of those weeks, months, whatever you want to call it. So I'm a little feisty when it comes to making little jabs and comments that probably only I know. Wow, very smooth. Okay, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. Well, you know, I was looking and somehow I misplaced the bottle of aftershave splash that I used, or that I had made for the matching scent oil. And so I'm just going to use the Stirling Glacial Unscented. And before I put that in my hand, I'm going to open this up and I'll just make some on the fly, because that's what I'm doing. Three feels like it's going to be good for the day. Oh, man. Nothing like that menthol. Ooh, I love it. Matter of fact, I think I need a little more. That's probably too much. Oh, yeah. It's like walking into a brisk Arctic landscape at 0530. All right, and to follow that up, I'm going to use a little star. Oh, a little star jelly. That's right. You know, a shave can make you, it can just put you into a good mood. You ever notice that? All cleaned up, ready to go. All right, well, that's the shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of the things I've used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.